Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Future of Homelessness Research. We're so glad that you have joined us for today's session. Before we begin, we'd like to offer a land acknowledgement. And we did want to acknowledge that given that the conference is being held in a virtual space or being held online, that a singular land acknowledgement doesn't quite capture the richness of how folks are distributed across Canada and around the world on this conference session today. So we wanted to offer a land acknowledgement from the Canadian Observatory on Homelessness, which is hosted at York University in Toronto, Ontario. But we invite all guests to join us in considering your own position with regard to the land of which you find yourself on today. So with that, the Canadian Observatory on Homelessness acknowledges its presence on the traditional territory of many Indigenous nations. The area known as Takaranto has been caretaken by the Anishinaabe Nation, the Haudenosaunee Confederacy, and the Huron-Wendat, and is now home to many First Nation, Métis, and Inuit communities. We acknowledge the current treaty holders, the Mississaugas of the Credit First Nation, and this territory is subject of the Dish with One Spoon Wampum Belt Covenant, which is an agreement to peaceably share and care for the Great Lakes region. With that, we do welcome folks to share questions. We recommend that you use the question and answer feature as this space will be monitored. So please try to use that if you have specific questions for presenters. And as for the presentations, a quick introduction of the three presenters that you're going to see today. To kick things off, we have Dr. Alina Turner from Help Seeker Technologies. Following that will be Dr. Stephen Gates from the Canadian Observatory on Homelessness care of York University. And our third presentation will be with Cora MacDonald, also from the Canadian Observatory on Homelessness care of York University. And Heidi Walter from Away Home Canada will be joining Cora for the discussion period. We hope you enjoy the presentations. Thank you very much.